morning everyone. We are going to discuss about nationalism in India. All of you are well aware that CBSE has reduced the syllabus for this session due to the pandemic. So you have only two chapters, nationalism in Europe and nationalism in India, and you have completed nationalism in Europe. Now in nationalism in India, the first topic we are going to discuss is, in the first phase, there is a statement: growth of modern nationalism in India was a result of anti-colonial feelings because there was political instability in India that gave scope to the Europeans to come to India. After death of Aurangzeb, the weak successors of Aurangzeb were unable to control the vast Mughal empire. And after Mughals, the Marathas emerged as the greatest power. They fought among themselves and were divided. So the Europeans came to rule over India, and the British started exploiting Indians. So the feeling of nationalism in modern period in India developed as a result of anti-colonialism. So a sense of oppression was there among the people. All of them started feeling that they were equally oppressed. Then secondly, so they had a shared bond. How they became together, they developed a shared bond. That they started thinking that they belong to one nation. When the British were ruling over India, they came to rule over India. India was divided into many small kingdoms. Because it was during Akbar, it was during Ashoka, during the great rulers, India was united. Because they were powerful rulers, they have united, and there was monarchical form of government. So when the rulers united them, occupied a larger portion, then they were united. Otherwise, when the rulers were weak, India was divided into small kingdoms. So people started developing a sense of common bond among themselves. Next, the sense of oppression tied different groups together because सबकी एक ही story था, they were exploited by the Britishers. So now they came together. Of course, the notion of freedom was different for different people, that we will discuss later. But a same feeling of anger was there against the colonial masters, means the Britishers, and that was expressed in the feeling of nationalism. So that led to the development of nationalism. Next, we will discuss about what was the impact of First World War on India. So when the First World War was fought, a new economic and political situation developed in India. So what changes were brought, how it created anger among people, developed anger among people, that we will discuss. There was increase in defense expenditure. कभी भी war होता है तो country defense expenditure को बढ़ाता है. War loans, government had to take war loans. There was increase in taxes. Customs duties were raised, income tax was introduced. ये सारा ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने किया. And then after that, look at here, there was increase in prices. So it increased the hardship of common people. There was forced recruitment in British army. The forced recruitment in British army मतलब गांव से लोगों को जबरदस्ती ब्रिटिश आर्मी में भरते थे. Crop failure was there. Influenza epidemic is there. अभी भी respiratory problem वाला कोरोना चल रहा है. तो it was during that period also, 20th century के beginning में influenza epidemic led many lives, not only in India, also in many parts of the world. Then, so there is a statement. As per the census of 1920-21, 12 to 13 million people perished. मतलब death हो गया because of influenza epidemic and famine. Famine is a condition which is created by, starvation. भूखमरी जिसको बोलते हैं. Okay, so these were the things which made Indians against British. All these situations, all these things, all these conditions made Indians against British. So that was the impact of First World War on India.